I don't think people understand how powerful ebooks can be for passive income. Welcome to the exciting world of ebooks in 2024. It's a realm of endless possibilities. Ebooks have transformed the publishing landscape. The best part? You can earn money while you sleep. Gone are the days when traditional publishers held all the cards. Now, anyone with a story or knowledge to share can become an author. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. With these tools, you can reach readers across the globe. The ebook market is booming. More people are reading on devices than ever before. Are you ready to start your ebook journey? Let's dive in and explore how you can turn your words into wealth in 2024. Welcome to our channel, where we focus on passive income strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. One of the most attractive aspects of ebook publishing is the low initial investment. Unlike traditional publishing, you don't need to print thousands of copies. All you need is your brain, a computer, and some basic software. Let's talk about the tools you'll need. First and foremost, you'll need a word processor. Microsoft Word is popular, but there are free alternatives like Google Docs. For cover design, you can use tools like Canva or GIMP. If you're not design savvy, you can hire a designer on platforms like Fiverr for a reasonable price. For editing, Grammarly is a popular choice for basic proofreading. Finally, you'll need a platform to publish and sell your ebook. With these tools at your disposal, you're ready to start your ebook empire with minimal upfront costs. One of the most exciting aspects of ebook publishing is its global reach. Your ebook can be available to readers around the world with just a few clicks. This opens up a vast market potential that was once only accessible to big publishing houses. The global ebook market is growing rapidly. Different regions are showing different growth rates. For example, Asia Pacific is seeing a surge in ebook adoption. North America and Europe continue to be strong markets. Language is no longer a barrier in the ebook world. Translation services have become more accessible and affordable. Imagine your book being read in Spanish, Mandarin, or Arabic. However, going global also means understanding different markets. The potential rewards of tapping into the global ebook market are well worth the effort. Section 4. Finding your niche. Carving out your ebook empire. In the vast ocean of ebooks, finding your niche is crucial. A niche is a specific segment of the market. It's where you can establish yourself as an expert. Niche markets often have less competition. So, how do you find your niche? Start by considering your passions and expertise. Use tools like Amazon's bestsellers rank to research popular niches. Look for gaps in the market. Some popular niches in 2024 include personal development, health and wellness, and technology. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to target your audience. Remember, your niche isn't just about the topic. It's also about your unique perspective. Once you've found your niche, stick with it. Build a series of ebooks around the same theme. Section 5. From idea to income. Steps to launch your ebook. Now that you've found your niche, it's time to turn your idea into a published ebook. The first step is to outline your book. Break your topic down into chapters. Set a writing schedule and stick to it. Once you've finished writing, it's time for editing. Start with self-editing. Use tools like Grammarly for basic proofreading. Then consider hiring a professional editor. Next, focus on your ebook's presentation. Design an eye-catching cover. Finally, it's time to publish. Choose your publishing platform. Remember, publishing your ebook is just the beginning of your journey as an author. Section 6. Marketing Magic. Strategies to boost your ebook sales. Marketing is crucial to your ebook's success. Start by building an author platform. This could be a website, blog, or social media presence. Use these platforms to connect with potential readers. Email marketing is a powerful tool for authors. Build an email list of interested readers. Use your email list to announce your book launch and share updates. Reviews are gold in the ebook world. Encourage your first readers to leave honest reviews. Positive reviews boost your book's visibility on platforms like Amazon. Remember, other authors aren't just competition. They can be valuable allies in your marketing efforts. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with others. Check out our other content for more tips on earning passive income. Thanks for watching.